Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to turn off likes and comments on Facebook profile picture. Facebook does not provide a built-in feature to completely disable likes and comments on your profile picture. However, you can adjust the privacy setting to limit who can like or comment on your profile picture. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do this using the Facebook. First of all, open the Facebook app. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your name to go to your profile. After that, tap on your current profile picture. After that, tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the profile picture. You will see a menu with options. Tap on Edit Privacy. In Edit Privacy, tap on Only Me. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.